Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is on Hindenburg report on Adani Group. To understand the topic, let's get familiar with the following. What is Hindenburg research? What does the report say? What is overvaluation of a company? Litigations and governance. The firm was founded in 2018 by Nathan Anderson and Daniel Yu. It was named after the high-profile disaster of the Hindenburg airship in 1937, which ignited as it flew into New Jersey. On its website, Hindenburg says it looks for man-made disasters, such as accounting irregularities, mismanagement and undisclosed related party transactions. It is an investment research firm that has published research on various companies. It specializes in short selling, meaning they bet against companies they believe are overvalued. Hindenburg Research has recently published a research report on Adani Group, an Indian conglomerate with interests in various industries including infrastructure, agribusiness, energy, and more. The report claims that the group's stocks are overvalued, and that the company has been engaged in questionable financial reporting and other unethical conduct. When a company is considered overvalued, it means that its stock price is higher than what its fundamentals, such as earnings, revenue, and assets, would suggest it should be. This can happen if investors have a lot of optimism about a company's future growth prospects, or if there is a lack of good investment alternatives in the market. As a result, the stock price may be driven up to a level that is not sustainable in the long term, and investors could see a decline in their returns or even lose money if they invest at the high stock price. It's worth noting that determining a company's intrinsic value is not an exact science, and different analysts may have different opinions on a company's value based on their own analysis and interpretation of the company's financials and future prospects. Overvaluation itself is not necessarily illegal, as stock prices are determined by the market and can fluctuate based on a variety of factors. What follows are only claims from the Hindenburg report that have not been verified by our channel. Hindenburg Research said its 2-year investigation, published on January 24, showed that the Adani Group, led by the world's third richest person, Gautam Adani, was involved in massive and brazen stock manipulation and an accounting fraud scheme, claiming that the latter were pulling the largest con in corporate history. Hindenburg said the report's findings were based on interviews with dozens of individuals, including former senior executives at Adani Group, thousands of documents, and due diligence site visits in almost a half-dozen countries. Spokespersons for the Adani Group have rejected the findings of the research report. The report is a malicious combination of selective misinformation and stale, baseless, and discredited allegations that have been tested and rejected by India's highest courts. Jogshinder Singh, the group's chief financial officer, said. It must be noted that no Adani Group company has ever defaulted on their debt repayments so far. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.